In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your Google Drive folder to a new location on your computer. This is super handy if you're running low on space in your current drive or just want better organization. Let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, if you're using a Windows computer, you're going to want to head over to your taskbar and find the Google Drive icon. It usually looks like a little triangle in those signature Google colors. Once you see it, right-click on it, and from the menu that pops up, select Quit. If you're on a Mac, you'll find the Google Drive icon nestled away in the menu bar at the top of your screen. Just click on it and choose Quit from the drop-down menu. Now that we've quit Google Drive, it's time to move the existing Google Drive folder to a new location. You'll want to open your File Explorer or Finder and navigate to where your current Google Drive folder is located. It might be somewhere like C/users, your name, /Google Drive. Once you're there, simply move this folder to your preferred new location. It could be as simple as dragging it from the C drive to, say, a D drive, or whatever works best for you. With the folder moved, we need to restart Google Drive to let it know about the change. So go ahead and open Google Drive again. You'll probably get a sudden pop-up letting you know that Google Drive can't find the existing folder. Don't worry, this is exactly what we want because it gives us the opportunity to relink the folder properly. Speaking of relinking, here comes the important part. In the pop-up, you should see an option that says either Locate Folder or Change Location. Click on that and a new window will appear, prompting you to select a folder. Browse through your computer and find the new location where you just moved your Google Drive folder. Select that location and then hit Confirm. Once you've done that, Google Drive will take a moment to verify the folder. You might notice it working behind the scenes as it checks everything out. After verification, go right ahead and hit Confirm again. Now your files will start syncing from this new location. It can take a bit of time depending on how many files you have, but you'll be all set to continue using Google Drive without a hitch. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your files and free up space on your computer. This method not only keeps you organized, but also ensures that your valuable documents are right where you need them. Thanks for watching this guide, and I hope it made the process a breeze for you.